Hi, in this video I am going to talk to you about C language. So C language is basically the first language everyone should start learning if he want to attain a programming career. So in this video I am going to tell you about the softwares you could be using while learning C, the compiler and the IDE which I am going to use in this series while teaching you the programs. I will use the example approach. I will throw you with a question and then solve it in a way of teaching by examples. So let's start. First of all, we will open our Firefox and type google.co.in. Here first software we are going to use is Bloodshed Dev C++. So we will type Bloodshed Dev C++ download and we will go to this website www.bloodshed.net/devcpp.html. So here we will go down where it says go to the download page. Here we will go down, as we are on Windows, we will download the executable from the source forge. As we will download the first link that says 9 MB download with Ming W GCC plus. It will take for about 5 seconds to download. In the meanwhile, it says version 4.9.9.2. So you can download and install it. It is simple. I have already installed it, so I will start by teaching you. You can always pause the video and start when you are able to install when you are installed with this software. So now let's open Bloodshed Dev CPP. We will type Dev CPP. So as I have the same version, so first see what's our question. So the first question is write a C program to input a character and display or print them. So here go to the files, new, then project, then we will work with the console application. Type character program, give it a some usual name that you can recognize it with. Check the C project and click on OK. It will pop up and will say where you want to save your project. So here I have a project folder. You will not have a project folder. Create a project folder by right clicking on it, go to new and then folders. So I will click on it and save it. So the basic layout that the Dev CPP throws to a user is this. So what's this hash include angular bracket open stdio.h. These are called the header files. This is the second header file. What's this? If you are new to the programming, this looks bizarre to you. It's like these are header files where all the code that should be written here is programmed in these files, in the core files. The special commands that we write here are programmed in the header file. So this is called the input output header file. The I means input and O means output. This is the standard library header file. Lib means library, and this is the main. Int main is the main program. Int is it is actually a function. Sorry, but it is a program. So it gives the output returns 0. So what is a function? Function is some piece of code that reduces the redundancy of the code, repetitiveness of the code. So here we have to do this, input a character and display and print them. So back to the topic. So first command I am going to write here is the printf command. So printf, what the printf does is it prints something onto the screen. So here I will write printf and then open the brackets, and then in the two inverted commas I will write my sentence. So if you want to change a line, type a backslash n, it is a new line character. If you don't want to change a line, remove that. So I will write enter your character, and then I will change my line, and I will end my sentence with a semicolon. All the sentences are ended by a semicolon. Now I have to get my character from the program into a variable. So I will write scanf command. What scanf does is it stores a character or any other variable into a variable, any other input into a variable. So I will, in two inverted commas, I will type %c because it is a character, c denotes a character, and I will give some variable name with an AND operator. You have to give a variable name with an AND operator. I give a variable name var and end it with a semicolon. Now I have to declare my variable firstly. So I will declare my variable as char var, end it with a semicolon. Now I have to print my variable. So I will type again printf. Now as actually here it is changing the line. Here if we type a variable, it will be in the second line, so I have to change the line here. So here entered character is %c and then var, end it with a semicolon. Now if I remove system pause I can type a command as get.ch. What get.ch does it stops the screen where until we press any key, or I should run it without it and show you how our program will respond. So first I have to change my first I have to save my program. Now I have to compile my program, and compilation is fine. Now I have to execute my program. So I type A, then press enter. As you see, the screen goes off immediately. So to stops the screen so that I can see my output A is, I write get.ch. So I again do get.ch. Now if I run by pressing Ctrl F10 and then type A, then enter, entered character is A. So how to remove this spaces? Now it will be fine. Then I run it again, A. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write in comments. If you like my channel, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel.